Hello guys, I'm Aman Garg and let's discuss our next problem for LeetCode. Remove elements. Read this problem first. Pause the video for 2 minutes and read this problem, and then we will discuss about the problem statement itself and the approach to solve this problem. The problem requires us to remove all occurrences of a specified value well, from an integer array nums in place. The goal is to modify the array such that the first k elements contains all the elements that are not equals to value, and then return k, which represent the count of these elements. The approach to solve this problem: two pointers technique. We can use a two pointer technique to efficiently solve this problem. One pointer will iterate through the array to check each element. The second pointer will keep track of positions where the next valid elements not equals to well should be placed. Iterate through the array for each element in array. Check if it is not equals to value. If it is not equals, place it at a position indicated by k and increment k. Now return the count. After iterating through the array, k will represent the number of elements that are not equals to value. The first k elements of nums will contain the desired element. Now let's move to our IntelliJ and we will solve this problem. Here I'm going to create one class. I will name this class as remove elements. I'm going to create my function, and this function is going to return an integer value. I will name this function as remove element, and it requires one array, that is nums, and int value. Pointer, so this is the pointer for the position of the next valid element. Then I need to iterate through the array. I need to use for loop to iterate, and I will put I is equals to 0, I is smaller than nums dot length, and I plus plus. Now if the current element is not equals to well, then what I need to do? I need to compare the elements. Place it at position of k. Now k is equals to 0. So nums k is equals to nums I. Now increment k. So k plus plus. And then return the value of k. So k is count of the elements not equals to well. Now let's define our public static void main. So let's define one array, and val is equals to 3. So the output that we are expecting is, let's run the code and see what output we are getting. The code is still showing some error. Okay, cool. So we are getting the expected output.